Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly remove glue from your lace frontals. As you guys can see, mine is totally a mess, like the ghetto. It's scary. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly remove glue from your lace front, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how to revamp your curly wig, okay? From this, as you guys can see, mine is just a mess to almost brand new. So yeah, keep watching. Black melanin girl. Okay guys, so the first step is we need to make sure we remove all this glue from the lace frontal. We're going to need a box of cotton pads, really thin cotton pads, and we're also going to need some apple cider vinegar. Mine's in this bottle right here. Make sure the cotton pads are really thin so that the apple cider vinegar soaks up the whole cotton pad. So I'm just going to put a little bit on there. Make sure it's all soaked up. And then we are going to start rubbing onto the part with the glue. We're going to rub and push the glue away as I'm doing right now. It's actually very easy, you guys. You can also use alcohol, but I've noticed that apple cider vinegar tends to do the job. As you can see, it starts to lift. Most of the glue is lifting now, meaning it's working. So you just need to keep going until all the glue is off. You can also take another cotton pad and put some more of the apple cider vinegar. Here is another technique if the glue is too much. So you're gonna put the apple cider vinegar onto the cotton pad, and we're gonna wanna soak the glue. So as you guys can see, I've put the apple cider vinegar, and then I'm just gonna let it sit on the lace front to kind of soak up the glue. This helps in making it lift faster. I'm gonna continue rubbing and rubbing until all the glue comes off. Another cotton pad, a clear one. Oops, there was a small insect inside my vinegar. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep rubbing. It's actually pretty easy, you guys. I mean, obviously it takes a bit of effort or whatever, but it's actually not that hard. As you rub, you're gonna notice that it's gonna lift easily. Now just doing the parts of my frontal, just taking off those small bits, and yeah, my lace front is clean now, you guys. As you can see, this is what it looked like before all that junk, and now it's definitely much better. So we're gonna move on to washing the wig now. As you can see, it's such a mess. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna run our fingers using some water just to detangle the wig. This is the most important part, you guys, because since it's a curly wig, you want to make sure that it's detangled before we start doing any washing, because if you wash it when it's tangled, you're just going to mess it up. So you're just going to run your hands through it with your fingers and some water to detangle it. Make sure you focus on that frontal, detangle that frontal really well, because that's the most important part. And yeah, as you can see, the wig is detangled now. We can start washing our wig. The shampoo I'm using is this herbal anti-dandruff shampoo from Watson's. Yeah, it's almost running out, but yeah, this is the shampoo we're using. We're just gonna pump a few pumps. I think I did about 3 pumps here, not too much. And then we are going to wet it, and we are going to apply it on our wig. Apply all the areas and make sure you don't rub in circles. Just try and run your hands down the wig as you apply shampoo on it. And then now we are just going to put some water on the wig, add some shampoo, especially to that frontal, guys. The frontal is the most important part of your wig, okay? because that's where we're going to be looking at. So yeah, make sure you really make sure that frontal is clean. And I'm just gonna keep running my hands down with the shampoo. Make sure I wash that hair. Sure you guys can see from that water that this hair was dirty. Whew, child, this hair was dirty, but yeah, we're just gonna keep washing it. I'm gonna go for round 2 because yeah, it needs that much washing. I'm just gonna repeat the same thing. Apply the shampoo downwards and keep washing until you feel your wig is clean, and then you can stop. I think I washed mine 4 times. Yes guys, it was that dirty. I'm embarrassed, okay, but yeah, we move. I'm also going to get some shampoo and shampoo my frontal, especially that part where we removed all that glue. It will probably be smelling of the apple cider vinegar, so you want to make sure that you shampoo it really, really well. Now you want to make sure that you rinse your wig really, really well and make sure that all the shampoo has been washed out. Now we're going to move on to conditioning our wig, and I'm using this conditioner from Siphosami. I'm just going to pump a few pumps into my hand. Oops. Yeah, about 3 of those. And I'm just going to wet my wig with the conditioner. Just run my fingers down. Make sure that frontal is well conditioned, okay? Down to the roots, down to the bottom of the wig. Don't forget that back part as well. And I'm just going to let the wig rest in the sink for about 10 minutes for the conditioner to, you know, do its things, and then we're gonna come back to it. After about 10 minutes, our hair is fine. Now we are going to wash out all that conditioner. So we're just gonna run it through the tap water and wash away all the conditioner. Next, I'm going to take this argan oil. I love this oil because, you know, it smells really nice and it's gonna help your hair retain the shine. So I'm just going to, first of all, wring out all that water from my hair. Make sure my hair has no water. Just try and squeeze out all that water, and then I'm gonna take a few drops of the argan oil. I think I took about 5 drops. And then I'm just going to spread all that oil on my hair. Again, you don't want to put too much oil because then your hair will look kind of, you know, but yeah, make sure you put a little bit of that oil. That's gonna make your hair look much healthier, much nicer, and have that, you know, that glow or whatever. And then you're just going to kind of bounce up the curls so that you return the curl pattern of your wig. And then when all this is done, you're just going to go and air dry your wig. Probably outside is the best so that, you know, it gets dry from the fresh air. And then, yeah, your wig is clean.
The next day.
Okay, you guys, so this is what our hair is looking like. This is the next day, and this is our wig all washed and air dried. It's definitely looking much, much better than it was yesterday, you guys. It's clean, it smells so good, and as you guys can see, that frontal is absolutely glueless and it's definitely looking really nice. It will definitely look much, much better when you style it. You put it on your head, you put the mousse, and you spray the water and conditioner and all of that, it will look much better. But yeah, as you guys can see, this is how you can easily remove glue from your frontal, and that's how you revamp a curly wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Make sure to give this video a big fat thick thumbs up so I can make more videos for you guys. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.